Hello, my friends. Rick Billings here. So you want to build your influence on Facebook. You want to add new friends on Facebook. Let me just show you a couple easy ways to do it, especially right now, the holiday season. You log into Facebook, and over on the left-hand side, you click on Friends, and it pops up with people that you may know and stuff like that. And it shows the amount of mutual friends underneath here, okay? So you see the mutual friends here, and it pops up a little list, and you hover over their name, and it shows you, a couple people that you are friends with and stuff like that. And it says work, retired, and so on. And then you can add them as a friend. So you click Add Friend, okay? And you hover over it, and you look for some of the mutual friends, and you go down this list, and there's a lot here, okay? So now, once you've added some friends and they accept you, under the bell notification, it shows you everybody that accepted you as a friend. So this gentleman right here accepted me as a friend. So then I have a little phrase that I have in my text notes that I save, and it just says, "Hi name, thanks for accepting my friend request. We share quite a few mutual friends, so I thought it'd be great to connect here. Wishing you and your family a wonderful holiday season." Okay, so I basically just copy that phrase, and I just hit Messenger right here, and I paste it right here, and then I replace the name right here with Kim. Okay, and I basically set a message to him, and I'm just trying to connect with him. Now, he may or may not respond back to me, but if he does, we could start a relationship. And it's, you're starting relationships on friends. So here's Rodney accepted my friend request. Okay, Rod did. So I hit Messenger, I hit paste, I come over here and I take Rod, okay, and I send Rod a message. And it doesn't mean that you're going to do business with Rod, but he may see something that is on your page that he likes. You may see something that he's doing, right, that you resonate with. So it's just a way to build relationships and friendships on Facebook. And you continue to do that. And if you have maxed friends on Facebook, let's say, at a certain time in your life or business that you just added, and you're maxed out, you can't, then you can go through and remove people. Just go through and remove all the old people that have never responded or never resonated with you, and then you could add new friends. But I just continue to go through here and find the people that have accepted my friend request. Right here, here's another one right here, Minister Tom. Okay, and so I click on Messenger. I've never sent a message to him, or it would show up here. Okay, so I'm going to paste here, and I'm obviously respectful, so I'm going to say Minister Tom. I'm not going to say Tom, because that's the way he has his message listed here. Okay, hi, Minister Tom. Okay, and I'll send him a thing. I'm just wishing him a great holiday season, and if he wants to connect with me, maybe he'll wish me a holiday season back, and, just goes from there. And you could take it to the next step if you want to this time, or maybe you wait till after the first of the year and you can message him. And if you're, recruiting in your business or whatnot, and you have steps the way you do that, as we do in our team, you can send him a message. So I just want to make this video to help you out to build your following on Facebook and help you build your business.